体育消息，咱来看美国职棒道奇队摕到世界比赛冠军，完成2连霸。初三登去到洛杉矶举办游行，是写几啊万的球迷做伙来庆祝。日本籍的球星大谷翔平甲山本优心，今年的季后赛是表现了真出色。因两个人伫咧发表感言的时阵，现场的球迷嘛看甲欢喜甲。
道奇的日本籍球星大谷翔平加山本优生，在同一代巴数一直向球迷一手第二。总教练 David Robertson 摸到冠军奖杯，庆祝道奇摕到冠军，车队经过华特迪士尼音乐厅，现场气氛达到上高点。洛杉矶道奇经过7场好战，摕到世界大赛冠军，将做25年来第一支连败球队。初三8日登到洛杉矶举行疯狂游行。 车队经过市中心路边插满蓝白旗啊，现场有几多万的民众伫咧喊声庆祝。游行结束了，道奇全队伫咧道奇球场举行庆祝大会，现场的人是开甲满。洛杉矶的垃圾歌手冰块库巴，甲冠军奖杯摸起伫台顶时阵，大家是喊甲强要哨声，大谷翔平也有约要3连霸。
I'm so proud of this team, and then. I want to say you guys are the greatest fans in the world. And then I'm ready to get another ring.
Thank you, my teammates, my coaches, our amazing staff, and all the fans. We did it together.
摕到世界大赛 MVP 的山本优生，正罕见的用英语向球迷发表感言。游行的沿路，真侪球迷拢讲，道奇会当摕冠军，日本籍球星是关键，特别伫咧季后赛表现正稳定。
Of course, our Japanese pitchers were critical to the success of our team, not just in the World Series, but in the NLCS and in the whole season. Just they came through clutch. So many times, Yamamoto, of course, MVP. Huge game, and I can't speak enough about Ohtani. Of course, he can only do everything.
洛杉矶市政府出动上百位警察维持秩序，疯狂游行上尾伫道奇球场结束。自大路游行到球场庆祝，球迷甲球员共同享受荣耀的时刻，象征要开始道奇王朝。公司新闻张伟林编辑。